now one of my best friends for the music industry, one of my closest friends, my guy from way back, and of course, say sometimes we go wonder why they quiet, why they need to bring music, but now don't only say don't drop music. The album Day Out does drop officially today. You understand? No other than the one and only Alaga Ibil himself, Reminisce. They inside the studio, Reminisce.
Mr. Godwin. Now we're on the DJ.
Reminisce.
Reminisce. That is like 6 or 7 years now.
Reminisce. Times I come.
The DJ. Me, I don't. Now only me, I understand that. I'm calling.
Reminisce. Oh shock me. Oh shock me.
Oh shock me.
See wala.
I go tell you that matter off camera.
We go settle. We get beef. We go settle the beef.
Reminisce, welcome on now.
Thank you, brother.
You remember the last time you entered radio station?
I don't tell.
I know say you don't tell now.
6 or 7 years.
You don't
but this place have truly changed like that. I still remember the stairs. I remember the now why I call you say parking space they mean you are so you know really that those spaces change. That those spaces change. Some new people don't do now. And some people did before don't be now. Understand?
All right. So now nice to get Reminisce inside the studio. Now don't hear Reminisce inside studio. I want to talk about the album we just dropped, Sui Generis. And I pronounce it well.
Yeah, Sui Generis.
Sui Generis, that be the title of the album. The album dropped officially today, and one of the tracks for that album, that be this one I just hear, Up as F. You understand? I go Reminisce house. I
Up as
I go Reminisce house. I go and say, I don't hear you. I say, you know there so in there. So play another location. They shoot video. I say, now you tell me address. I divert go there. All of a sudden they shoot video for this Up as F, and I did there and all those stuff. So now me be the first person to play this song for any radio station. I premiered this song actually for Naija FM. Now we first play them. So at last you must come here and come talk about this album because it don't dey long overdue. And so now one of the songs within is and I mean that Up as F. And so let me start with the title of this album.
Yeah.
Sui Generis. What do you mean?
Let me say one of a kind.
Okay.
Something we say one of one.
One of a kind.
Really nothing be like, we nothing resemble, we nothing to do like. It does day. You understand?
Why call on Sui Generis?
Because now which I be that now.
One of a kind. Okay.
If you listen to the song now, you will see
yes.
You hear
different kind of
you will see here Fuji.
Yes.
You will see so
when I listen to the album, I hear Fuji, I hear rap. I say, in fact, this album now it gets something for everybody.
And you see as I dress come here now.
Exactly.
As a rapper, so you don't be saying one of one person we know those. Yes, I just do my own, and that's why I be from time. So I just be listening at the perfect time. The thing don't do my head since like 10 years. You know, say all my projects. I don't get it. I go title all my projects. So like I get like 20. I never usually stand inside.
In fact, the way that do your project right from time. I mean, the first one, Book of Rap Stories.
Yeah, Book of Rap Stories.
So and the after that one, you can't do Alaga Ibil, and then
I can't do Baba
Fusa, can't do El Hajj, and then you can't do
Vibes and
Inshallah. Then Alaye Toshe Gogo. You do EP na Vibes and Inshallah, and EP. Alaye Toshe Gogo. So the way they want to do Yama, Alaye Toshe Gogo, El Hajj, Baba Fusa, but now Baba Fusa on na your.
That one is just my name. Now my picking name. My mama name na Hafusa. My grandpa na Baba Hafusa. So
okay, Baba Hafusa.
I named my first daughter after my mother. So myself now be.
So if you not make mistake now, like your 6th album be this now. If you count
7th project.
7th project
altogether. Yeah.
Okay, 7th project. Okay, so you get 5 albums, 1 EP. That's
2 EPs. 5 albums, 2 EPs.
Yeah. Okay, like the 7th project be this one. Okay.
Okay, so Reminisce, you don't get quiet for some time now. You just be like you just go under the radar. You know they show up at events. You just day or day. Waiting happen because people don't say where Reminisce. You just quiet. Waiting happen.
Nothing happen. I just say, you know, since the simple truth be say, like since I turn 40 now, normally I don't plan so much. I don't turn 40. I want to begin enjoy everything with me I work for. You understand? I want the chop life. So I do go party other period. I just for entertainment business. I no be active participant. I just did, but For my house, normal I had to go. Mr. Godwin the day house already.
The day house.
They chop fish.
If I need
so I did as normal human being.
They buy mala.
You understand? As normal human being, I did active. But for industry, I know just be active. I just look say, you know, I just turn for that. I say, person always they work. No time to really enjoy. So I just decided to enjoy. I begin go party more. You know, people will say when you be very, very active, you're going to do something. You know, go fish show there because so I come, you know, and they buy clothes where from me and my wife will go party. You know, carry agbada go I just begin enjoy life. So we can just take break. You know, just enjoy life, like suck life in properly, and you know, and in between that as well. My children they become teenagers one day. So you know, so like that. You understand? So I just.
No, DJ, you know
how
why
many children you get?
You know why
we populate Nigeria small.
You know why he make that decision to you? I mean, some people say about the fact they drop hot albums, hot songs, they make money for music. It can't be ambassador for everybody, for Samsung, for Origin, money plenty. So one time to say, I will just work the more chop some of the money. 1910, why? Let's chop some.
Mr. Godwin, I don't know what they talk. I don't know what they talk. Money not do anywhere. Money not do anywhere.
You know how many years you be Samsung ambassador?
Money not do.
You know how many years you be?
You know whether I carry the who's pay?
I call the brand because the brand didn't respond that time. Now
you know whether I carry the who's pay?
Who's carry? 90, 50, 90, 40.
But on a serious note, I just want to tell young people something, young artists especially, like just try and enjoy what you have worked for.
Exactly.
Sometimes it's just nice, just sit down, enjoy what you have actually worked hard for. Like enjoy, just enjoy life. Like
yes,
So just I will not try that. So I don't look say, now I fit, now I fit, take down. On my feet, small. When I come back,
Okay, so how many producers you work with for this Sui Generis?
Seven songs, 7 producers. 7 songs, 7 different people.
Okay, just tell us some of the producers. You don't need to make
TMXO now. Me and TMXO don't they work for like almost 10 years now. TMXO na SARS person, so I don't know TMXO totally. TMXO don't do. Now do me and Two Face. Now do TMXO do like 3 of my albums. So TMXO, Busy Day with them. That part I do the Shea Vibe, Charlie Poppy. So now do the one me and OML. Now my first time where I go work with them with that. Okay. You know, so you work with people where you sabi, then you work with new people.
Yes.
As well. Then Rage. Okay. Yeah, as well. I work with Rage as well. Where is that place again? Reward. Okay. Reward by accident. And you know, some of the favorite songs on the project I can like pass. Now just by mistake. You follow Bad Boy Teams come my camp. Okay. Now he just he help us touch up as he help us add additional drums to him. So I just reach out, he just send me now he do coupe, he just send me say, Baba get one rap beat. I don't even hear like 2 weeks. Just listen, this thing. So like new, so that was a mix of new and my normal customers before.
Okay. So but right now, you just signed deal. So
Mr. Godwin, no.
I just say so. We will talk about that now.
Mr. Godwin is sometimes right. I know.
You not do it.
Not talk anything we get to do with it.
Before your DM go full.
Okay, fine. I ask you something. You get label.
No. I don't remember. What's it called? I just moved. I moved distros.
You know say. Best don't say.
Mr. Godwin, you don't dispute personal something for national radio.
Okay, more give like that. Reminisce. Normally, they almost important. I feel bet with anybody anywhere. Say Reminisce don't do project. Me allow me they know the inside. This one allow me they know the. Why?
Because it does happen. I just by now, say this one they deliberate. I just wanted to work with younger. If you notice, I just wanted to do something with new people, like
because for me they do project. If they have normal, may no see Reminisce inside. If Reminisce do project, they no see Lamide inside. So
the songs actually dey to put. Don't say the songs go dey. The music dey because we record like many songs every year. We just add there, but now just say say my own project now thing. This one now, I just young people because I notice I'm ready to do artists for now, Sha. Okay. You understand? So it's just my only way of saying you come, So that's just what I did with this. I just work with young minds, just just add a little something for them. So
Okay.
So now so now the album proper now for first quarter. Now that one will be beginning to happen.
Okay, fine. So we'll take one of the songs for the album. This one you feature Vector inside. You and Vector and
Yes.
Tell us how you take this. And then this particular song, when I listen to it, I'm like, Reminis and Vector did something. Normally, somebody
you just say,
yes,
you can't hear Kwamwan. You can't hear Kwamwan.
Exactly. So if you hear say Vector and Reminis do song, you could expect say hardcore, serious rap. But this song wanna take on to another level. So how did the song come about?
The story about this song, they funny. The story we say the song na actually Vector song. The song na Vector song. He send them to me.
Okay.
So make I do verse. So I don't quickly hear the following morning, if I wake up like the first, before I bath to enter, I first enter studio first. I'm mood. You know, I know the one do anything, I first enter studio first. When my head clear, when children don't go school, house quiet, I will just, you know, want enter studio. And then I go hear everything where I'm supposed to hear. I don't hear that. I say, I just call her face, Larry, you job a cover Lily. He say, Lagos government won't use this song. He just laugh, say you want to take her. I say, I go take her, but we go do one together. I say, but this one, I just tell him say, true, I say, you go like that. So you know, that's what we just do. So actually, in song, he send them to me for future. I just I say, you job a cover Lily, Larry. You know, I was like, oh, cool, nice.
So now do one together, now you take the song.
And I'm my guy now.
Yeah.
I like the fact say una really dey in sync when it come to this. I take the song because we don't see waiting. Now my song don't cause. You know, back one particular song. This guy we sing Mancha Life. Remember?
Yeah.
The song they do well. Waiting make him come go down. Now my song.
Yeah.
And me write.
And I just saw that she small things.
Now I they talk, but una no get that.
No, everybody na grown. Everybody na grown man. I don't say bro. This one I thought say instead of the reason I say you go. You know, very, you know, say, Vector a calm man. You just say, I'm not do am together, we do am, and everything we dey carry ourselves along, we mix, because you know, say the song dey complex, because of the Kwamwan sample we did there, so we just make sure everything sound right, then the clearance as well, big up to Iwe and Alaji himself for making the clearance very easy for us, because we just clear them, you know, say na modern day music, we just clear the sample.
Alright, so we will take that song now, Ultimate, name be the title, Reminis and Vector. Reminis, this particular song, okay, now one of the songs ready for the EP. So, but it don't up officially today. It don't all platforms.
Yeah, it don't do everywhere now. 12 hours now. It don't do
everywhere. So every platform. So stream, download, share, and of course enjoy good music and all that. So this one are one of them. Now we don't know say Vector did this EP. We don't know say Bad Boy Teams did the EP. Any other person they feature they apart from these two people?
Any other Lucid Day. Get one young boy like that, yes. Now one of my boys signed him, name na Lucid, very good boy. The boy is sabi well. So yeah, Lucid Day. We also get Easy Scope. We get Logo Solori, Davido boy. Logo Solori. We also get Bad Bands.
Okay.
Very good singer writer as well. We also get Bad Boy Teams and normal Bad Boy Teams. Yeah. So yes, I think that's about all. Yeah. That's about all. Yeah.
Okay. Now don't. We'll take messages.
Bad Boy
OML today.
Yeah, OML.
Okay.
OML, the 9 in charge of streets now.
Okay, so I mean, we know say music don't change from when you have been there. They do 100%, almost 100% rap, and that time we say it depends. Everything a manual. You do your music, you can go studio physically, all those stations and all those stuff. But we know say with the this age within a digital age, most is now streaming and all those stuff. So how the change in the whole of music space take, how you see the whole change and how you take adjust as an artist to still remain relevant now, because we know say it's not easy to just change like that, and especially with the fact say in Nigeria what would they say people they easily move on from somebody. They go just okay now the rave of the moment be this person and follow on. So how you take do the adjustment to still remain relevant?
The major thing first, like I talked that time, say I will tell young people, because I get close to a lot of of young artists, a lot of them. So I always tell them, say the first thing I say, you have to prepare. You cannot look at what's going on now. You also have to prepare for what if things don't go my way. So and the first thing will make everything change. Now still change. You understand? Everything will change. Sound will change. You understand? Demographics will change. You understand? So you need to prepare. So as a creative, generally, you should. You're supposed to foresee this thing, say, be like saying I hear. You're supposed to smell them when you want to go, say, be like saying I hear this thing, they go now. So if you want to participate for that one, fine. If you don't want to participate, fine. You understand? Now where this thing they come in with that, say, when they hot, they try build following with your own.
Yeah.
You understand? So following will be always say, if you don't release, you get time. I release album 7 years now.
Loyal following.
You understand? I release album 7 years, and I still come and my people. will be my people. They see here my thing. You understand what I talk? So the thing don't too big now. Maybe say now only few people get everything. Get the whole audience. So the audience don't scatter. So you go just find the one who will work for you. Where you believe say if you pay your bills, if you take very good care of you, and you look forward to expanding. You understand? You better that way. You guys prepare for change, for adjustment. Just like everything in life now. The car we will drive 5 years ago, no be the car we will drive now. The car we will drive next year. They will don't change one or two things. The headlamps, the way that how many people they use to start car now? You don't reduce.
So you go need to.
You understand? You go need to update yourself. If you want participate too. Some people they don't want participate. We just want be. You understand? You get people now who say that Afrobeat, fella Afrobeat, and they do, and that's what they are doing. You understand? Shehu did there, you understand? Madi did there, that's their genre, that's what they are doing. They are not interested in, whatever it is, and that's fine. You understand? They have their following, they have their listeners, they have. Exactly. You understand what I'm saying? So it just depends on what you want. Some people, so you know if you look Shehu now talk, say Shehu no. Now what Shehu they do with that? You get what I talk. So it doesn't have to adjust or amend anything in genre. Be like So, but if you want update, nothing bad. If you don't want update, I see the same thing.
Okay, so we'll go play another song. Now what na pronounce na money
Fuji
before
na money right?
money.
You know what
Mr. Godin want talk money.
No, you know what talk money. But
Mr. Godin want talk money talks his money.
Title song money.
And that song title now.
Okay, fine. Before we talk about that money, I want to know you. What be one of the biggest lessons where you don't learn as an artist for this industry for over so many years now? What do I mean by that question? I say we don't see artists that maybe say you get one time they hot where they blow, then they just collecting money. You know if you do any show anywhere with nobody there and day. But after a while they go come feel like they come the struggle. Now at that time when everything they hot, they bought money, they come and all that. You know, for you, we know how big you be. We know how long you don't blow and all those stuff. What thing is one or two or three of the biggest lessons where you learn in terms of how to manage that success, so that when you come reach the time, you say maybe you don't get that level of attention and fame again, you still get enough to feel take care of yourself. I they ask because me, I know you one-on-one, and I know say you a good manager you be. You know how to apportion things, arrange things, plan for the future. So what you go say me one or two or three of the biggest lessons you don't learn of how to deal with fame, so that in future when that fame no day again, you know go day stranded.
Number one thing we say fame na drug.
Wow.
Fame na drug.
That one a new one.
Fame na drug.
Okay.
Yeah, you go high you where you go cloud you. And one of the things when I do for my life early, be say I understand nobody my friend. So you make my decisions. That's why a lot of people don't like me.
So you know
if you say anybody will work with me before now, or we will get issue. If you find out what actually happened, now because I choose to make my decisions and I stand by and say, because at the end of the day, now me go suffer the consequences. You go somewhere else. So and the moment you know say human be normal, if the decision no favor them monetary wise or where they go benefit, everybody go turn you to any say so early on in my life, because it take before I blow, I don't bomb before I blow, everybody don't give up, say this one no go. So those decisions, the first thing for this business, person is down here now 15 years now, I don't know him. He get into the business, he said get artist at the moment, you know where you know me, you work with me till see the I understand. Say nobody's your friend. We all want the same thing. You can be kind, you can be nice, you fit assist, but the first mistake you go make for music business is to think anybody not your friend. Nobody's your friend. Nobody's your friend. You all want the same thing. So no way, no how way. Everybody go want the same thing. You go say this person are your friend. So where the disappointment they come from? Where a lot of maybe all these kids now they disappointed. They say, okay, you blow up now. You gather people around. Everybody they naturally like Yoruba people talk say that sugar like ants and sugar. If they normal, ants and sugar now 5 and 6. So you they hot now. If they normal, all kind of people will come around you. It is your responsibility as a person we own the fame to say no, I don't want this person. No, I don't want this person. No, I don't want this person. This is who I want around me. You understand? So if you carry everybody around you now, we will say so. People they don't food they find. They just want chop. Which is normal, they didn't do anything wrong. So if things go south for you now, they will just find another means of livelihood now. You understand? You go come the day emotional say, person will say I do this for when buy a car, when I do this. Now you be fool. Because you don't put your priorities right. You're supposed to understand say this person is a fine means of livelihood. So what if you do say just provide that means of livelihood and keep it at that. All the person say, bro, what do you want? If na bulk money, give them the bulk money. And limit your interaction so that you don't get emotionally attached to that person. And you limit you understand, they give you control. So now everything that I do early for my career, but I get control. Like Who I do, everybody knows me. This person, I don't want this person. I will give you some of money, but you know me say I want you around me.
Wow.
You understand? So I keep it. Yeah. You did now. A lot of people they make mistakes with that. Yes, creating boundaries. You need to understand that not be everybody will be around you actually want make you succeed. That because of waiting in your hand, and not be their fault because everybody got chop. So now you get the responsibility to identify.
And then one of the things that need to talk. I mean, I don't know. We don't date for so many years. I know, like this is where they see here. So you go first think of future before you go buy the designer. So if you come say maybe everybody there around and say na designer they ring, we'll go buy designer shoe, then this in go they calculate 2, 3, 4, 5 things before it's okay. What will be the priority? If I wear this designer today, what about tomorrow?
Because I know the active participant as be now. Waiting concern me, and I know the active participant now. I be pensioner. You know understand? Who are the waiting concern me and anybody? You know understand?
So if you don't plan for that future, I don't think they always say if you don't plan for that future,
that's designer, but nothing concern me. I feel anything. I be pensioner, I be retired MC. So I know you understand.
The story where you give, no go call him name. That time when you build your house, when your own they come, use and they build your house.
Yeah.
The other one use them they buy shoes. That time $500. No be like how it be now.
Yeah.
Everything don't change.
You understand? So this thing now why they talk say when people come out they talk for interview for television or they say one person do me this when I get like all these decisions now you shall last because now you go suppose decide who go there around you, who no go there, you understand, who no go there around you.
Put your priorities in place. Because
at the end of the day, the question you go first ask yourself as I tell a lot of young boys like I dey around them a lot and they always tell them say you have to look after yourself.
You first
because everybody you see around you, the moment everything turns left, they will not because they don't like you enough, but because they just go find out they go chop.
Exactly.
They got to chop. They got to maintain the lifestyle that they live with you.
Okay. What will be your opinion of the Nigerian music industry generally today before you come up for Sui?
Nigerian music industry, nothing to Nigerian music industry. Nigerian music industry is doing well. We feel do better with a lot of infrastructure to invest for the people when they come. Because say we as Nigerians, we know they like look front. We know they like look. Look out for those where they come behind.
Yeah.
Music is in a great place. You have a lot of young boys making a lot of money, taking themselves out of poverty, employing, people, you understand, which is great. But at the same time, like when things like this happen, it is good to look out for those where they come as well. So now the only part where me I feel say it did bit missing me that say if for better people they try look future, they try look for, they try look out for those where they come behind.
So what would they expect? What videos? Any
video? Two more next.
Two more videos
next week. Like 2 more.
Which one is Ultimate?
Yeah, Ultimate now 40+ music now for old men like me.
Now our generation, yes.
You understand? Now for us, when we like drink beer, we will hear that one. So then we go do directory itself, Owu and the one with OML.
Okay.
Yeah, because I like OML very well.
Okay, so now I mean everything I need to know about the EP. They title Sui Generis. They're on all platforms. Stream, download, and share. Videos they come out. Up as fuck video. They up as F. They
Mr. Godwin. Hey,
up as fall now. Talk now. Up as fall. And the video they out there. And of course, stream, download, and share everything.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page, so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.